Tiles has been a category that we've wanted to explore for a really long time, almost since the beginning of the business. When we got in touch with Bert May and we started the conversation, I was so excited to get to work on this project. Coming to Spain to visit the factory and also to visit Casa La Siesta, be in the landscape and be in the area was really inspiring for us as a starting point before we headed off to the factory to start working on the collection. Meeting Felix and his daughters and the family that run the factory is such an important part of the process for me. So it's just so nice to meet the people that are going to be making them and witness the process firsthand. So when we started to work on the colour story for the collection, I wanted something that was reflective of my ceramic pieces, but also something that could be really interpreted into people's homes, so much more of an interior story. One of my favourite bits was getting to make my own tile. Didn't come out great, fair enough. What we've created here is a new finish for Bert May. I think it's a different way for them to work in collaboration with an artist or with a maker or a designer. I'm so excited by this collection and I can't wait for everyone to see it. Never. What more do you want?